Not sure what happened there. Every time I try and start a Facebook Live, something different. This one, I'm not sure. It says I hit go live and it said, "You want to go live without a friend?" I'm like, what? Okay. I'm gonna put you up into, and hopefully I don't disconnect us. Or drop my camera or whatever. Okay, so it's been, shall we say, an interesting day. I'm hoping you can see the okay, so today we are going to be doing something again. I mean, I love experimenting. Does anybody else love the experimentations that we've been doing, or that I've been doing? We've been doing together. Okay, so today the experiment I'm doing, and I'll wait a few minutes before I actually get started, and I will set things up a little bit. Hopefully that's enough for what I'm going to need to do right there. The light is a little bright, so I can't see if anybody has come on. Oh, there I see one little, well, an eyeball that shows one person has come on, which, welcome, yay! I'm going to have some, yay, whoops. And have a swallow or two of my coffee. Ow, burn my tongue. That was hot. Ooh, ouch. Okay, I'm not sure if I showed you these when I made them the other day. These are the little trinket things that I made the other day. There's one that is a combination of purple and blue. There's the purple with, there's a little bit of blue, but it's mostly purple. And then there's one that is, I don't see any purple. Oh, there's a blue one. And then there's a little cutesy little bowl, blue and purple sparkles together. And the purpose for these is, there's two purposes. One is that I am using them to, when somebody orders painting or paintings, I send them one. The other one is that I have these little, they're espresso cups, but I also have a Cricut. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to put a resin cactus on, attach it to the top of these little plates, and then inside or on the, I'm going to put, I want to put a heart. And I'll do, the first one that I'm going to do, and I'll show you, will be a display one, and it'll be just me. And on the heart will be embedded JC plus BP. You know, like when we were young and newly in love, some of us, not all of us, we carved our initials into a tree or into a something, saying, or even remembering back in the day when I was in high school of somebody putting hearts on the bathroom stall saying so and so loves so, or yeah, and that. So anyways, then the what I'll be doing is the inside will be like a trinket box and a little hide kind of thing. So that's what I want to and will be doing with those. Oh, that coffee's hot. I don't want to burn my tongue again. So, we're going to, what I'm doing today is called a waterfall. And this is why it is called a waterfall. Now, I already did a bit of a base coat on this, but I'm going to put, I'm going to add a little bit more kind of around the bottom so that the paint, when I pour the paint on, it will flow, have an easier, better flow. And then the reason it's called a waterfall is, I hope you can see that. You cannot. Okay. Before I put them away, I will show you one of the colors that we're going to be using today is, this is just purple. And this is sapphire blue. This is a metallic. So what I've done is I've chosen four colors plus one metallic. So this is a metallic blue. And that's what this one is. Okay. And then I have burnt umber because I wanted to have one brown. And this is called, it's by FX Mutant Shift. And this is Amino Aqua because I wanted to have one green. Okay, I'm going to move those because I don't need them. And then I'm going to move this down so that hopefully pull it down far enough so that it can be seen by everybody. Can you see? Can you see it okay? No, you still can't. Okay, I'm going to grab the cup with the paint, that little bit of paint on it. Okay. Hopefully. Well, I mean, I will pull it back when, okay, let's go this way. See if you can you see? No. All right, there you go. Now you can see my fingers. So what I've done is I have lifted it up so that one end is up and the other end is what I could have done. Let's try this a different way. Okay. That again. This. All right, can you see? Yes, you can. Yay! Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of this blue, which it's a sky blue, but what I did was I mixed in a little bit of the metallic so that it's got, hopefully when it's all done, it'll have a little bit of a shimmer when it's all dry. And so yeah, I'm actually going to this Okay, and I'm going to set that over there for the moment. And then I am going to make, and I'm going to fill 2 cups. Let's see. I think, where did I put it? I don't want to put the, I need the silicone oil. And I think I'm going to put the silicone oil into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I'm going to mix up the blue. This is the sapphire blue. And, okay, where did I put that? There we go. And I'm not necessarily going to put them both in the same order. I put a little bit of blue in there. And let's put some of the silicone oil into the purple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. And then mix the purple. Okay, so I'm going to start the bottom of this one with purple. And then I'm going to put in some, I'm going to put green in, which one? I'm going to put some green in this one. Some brown in this one. Oh. Okay, where did I put those? Okay. I poured these out a little while ago, so they already got a skin, or well, at least the brown already has a skin on top of it. Okay, so put some brown. In that one. And then I'm going to do the metallic in both. All right. Now I'm going to I'm just going to put a little bit of purple into this one, and then I want more purple in that one, a little bit of brown in that one. Oh, that was a little more brown than I intended. Oh, well, can't help it now. Okay, so I'm going to add more purple. And some more blue. you all can hear me okay. Okay, let's put some green in this one. All right. Now, what do we need in this one? We need let's add a little bit more of the metallic blue into this one. Trying to get them both up to the same level. Okay, I don't want to add any brown. I will add some of blue. What else do I need to add? Put a little bit more of the metallic blue in this one. Just a little bit into this one. Whoa, oh. Okay. It's empty. Good thing it's empty. It's okay, it's acrylic anyway, so acrylic will, I didn't get any paint on the floor anyway, so, but acrylic will wash off, so, okay, so I need, what do I need, what do I need, what do I need? Add more brown. Use the last of the brown. A little bit more green. And we will top it off with the purple. And then we'll top this one off with the blue. All right. I don't think I've done this as well as what I'm about to do. I don't think I've done it on camera before. So this could be fun. All right. Actually, because of what I'm doing, I'm gonna need to, because I've kind of changed how I'm kind of changed how I'm doing it. Kind of not. Okay, can you see what I'm doing here? Actually, I think what I'm going to do to begin with is I'm going to put it down flat to start with, and then I will lift it. Oops. Oh, let's get how, that's what I'm missing. I knew I was missing something. Just hold on a second. One more swig of coffee. Oh, still hot. Still hot. At least didn't quite burn my tongue this time. going on. My gloves. My gloves are being difficult. Okay. Now, can you see what I'm doing? Okay. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now I'm going to let them sit for just a moment so that all of the paint gets from the bottom of the cup down onto the canvas. And I'm going to put, because I was going to do the stacking or the lifting on the other side, but it would make it harder for everybody to see what I was doing. So, change the angle. Oops. All right, now I'm gonna try and hold these down without flipping them up. And hopefully I've got enough of an angle to be able to do this. And hopefully I've got enough paint. Okay, so 1. I'm going to just drop that one there. 2. I'm just going to drop that one there. And see why it's called a waterfall? Because you start with, you have the one end lifted up, and then you just let the paint roll down. Okay. And as I said, I hope I have enough paint on. I don't want it to go off the edge yet. I know I did up top, which I'm thinking I'm going to see if I can fruit flies. Okay, so I'm going to bring it back the other way. Oh, do you know what I forgot? I also wanted to do balloon kisses. And I forgot my balloon. And I don't think I have any balloons up here. But I do have gloves. To do the balloon kisses, you're supposed to let it sit for a few minutes. Hopefully I didn't get cut off. Somebody's just trying to tell me. I've got to learn to do not disturb. Okay. Hopefully I did not get let's see how it goes when we add some heat. I think I used too dark of a brown. See what happens. Trying to remove some of that. in between there. Well, when I do the balloon, I have to grab oh, actually, I'm not going to grab a balloon. I'm going to blow up a glove. I don't think I have any balloons here. Let's see if I can do this. I've not done it with a glove before, so let's see. Let's see if I can get my fingers. All right. Without popping the glove. Let's see if we can do this without the glove going poof. Hey, Amanda. Okay, so I want to try and see if I can remove some of this dark brown. So, oh, grab some paper towel. Come on. I actually kind of like this, the way that looks there, but I think there's a reason why you're supposed to wait a few minutes. I'm thinking there's still too much paint. Okay, I'm going to go here. The bottom? What do you mean the bottom? This? I don't know if you can see my fingers. That? Still can't see my fingers. Are you talking about right? Oh, shoot, don't stick your finger in it, Bernadette. Okay, now that I did stick my finger in it, I need to cover that. Bernadette trying to do a short video. Shall I say it, Amanda? All right, trying to get the, okay. All right, trying to see if I can find some purple without getting the brown in it. Let's go like this. And then, where's my paper towel? Take out some of this brown. Anything else that got purple? Nope, that's it. Hello, Justine. Amanda made lasagna for dinner tonight, and I almost went over there, but it's been, as a lot of you know, today is the I don't know if anniversary is the right word or what exactly the right word is, but 3 years ago today, my son, Amanda's brother. Oh, there we go. See? Okay, so much for that. Okay, so I'm going to hold it up, tilt it, and see. Let me pull it over just a little bit. Maybe you can see it better. Can you? Yeah. So, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to torch it one more time, and oh, looks like, what is this? Oh, that's a bubble. I'm going to torch it one more time, and then I will pull you down, pull you off my selfie stick thing, my selfie light. Let's see what we get. I was watching a video earlier today, and they said that once you torch and you do the tilt the first time, you should not actually tilt a second time, because when the cells start to come up and you tilt it again, it will make the cells go weird. It'll make them go oblong. Okay, so I think for now, that's all I'm going to do. And because somebody tried calling, I hope you can you hear me okay? All right. Okay, I'm going to pull you down. Try not to hit the wrong end of the... Okay, that's good, because... all right, I'm going to flip you around so you can see. Kind of like there's a face. I don't know. Does that look like one of your monkeys, Amanda? Remember those monkeys that you and David went and saw when you were in, I can't remember where you guys went. Well, that one kind of looks like a face too. There's a lot of different Bali. Yes, you went to Bali. Does that not look like one of those, the faces of one of those monkeys? Oh, I'm shaking. And I was saying earlier that Amanda made lasagna tonight, and I almost went over there and thought, I almost thought I was, oh, cool. I almost invited myself over for dinner. But I don't know. She might have already had company, and we generally get together on Sundays. So So anyways, this is the, well, I'll post a picture tomorrow when, yeah, it was. And his favorite dessert was trifle, but I wasn't going to make trifle because I'm the only one here that'd eat it. And my trifles are not little. So anyways, let me know what you think. I'm going to take a picture of it wet, and then I'll post it below in the comments. I see the Cookie Monster. No, that's not a Cookie Monster, but it's the same color. When I first saw it, I was looking at it as this being the mouth. Oh, nice. I might still come over, Amanda. Seeing as tomorrow is Saturday and you don't work. Anyways, when I saw it, I saw this mouth and I thought, that looks like Cookie Monster. But then as I'm looking at it, I'm seeing, oh, that looks like an eye. There's another eye. The mouth could be the mouth of a Cookie Monster, but it could be an eye for, like, there's one eye, there's the other eye, there's the nose. I thought you and David were going camping. Seeing as this is probably going to be the last weekend that you guys get to go camping. Okay. Anyways, I am going to flip over, and I think this is the one that you said that you like, Amanda. The one that I see a little, let me grab it. Yeah, this is the little one. The one that I said I see a house, and you said, I can't remember what you said you see. A mountain. Hi, Pamela. Yeah, but this is the one that I've called Lava Flow, because I didn't think Pompeii would fit. Well, that's what it reminded me of, but I didn't think Pompeii would be a good name for it. So anyways, that's that one. And so I've got to come up with a title for this one. I'm not sure if I'm done with this one yet. There might be something else that I want to do with it yet. There might be there's definitely something I want to do with the bigger one. Unless somebody wants to buy the bigger one as is. But anyways, thank you all for joining me, and I'm not sure how long this video is. Definitely not 15 minutes. Definitely not 20. All right, so love you all. Mwah. See you all next time with the next Let's Paint. It's not finishing. It won't.